To make navigation as easy as possible and also ensure that your customer sees what's going on as they are shopping, I recommend customizing your sidebar to provide a search box as well as a shopping cart and a list of your different categories. With WordPress and easy digital downloads, these are simple drag and drop behaviors, making the process as easy as, well, dragging and dropping stuff into the sidebar. When you install WordPress from scratch, you get a sidebar with some standard features. You have the search box at the top, you have recent posts, recent comments, archives, and so on. What I want to do is replace all of these standard widgets with custom widgets that relate to the products we're selling. I can do that by going to my toolbar and selecting Widgets, or by going to the dashboard and then selecting Appearance and Widgets. Here you see the main sidebar is already stocked with a set of default widgets. These are the ones you saw on the page. So first I'm going to get rid of all of them except for search. So I'll pull the rest of them out so that we have a clean sidebar. And then I'm going to add in some custom widgets that were added automatically by Easy Digital Downloads. You see them here. It's called Downloads Cart, Downloads Categories, and Purchase History. I'm going to add the cart directly under search. And then I'm also going to add the downloads categories/tags, and I'll set it to categories. Without doing any more customization, let's take a look at what that looks like. So I'll open it in a separate window. And you can see now I have the search box, I have the cart, and it says your cart is empty, and I also have the list of categories. But of course, it's hard to understand what this is because it doesn't have any titles. So I'll go back and I'll set the title of the downloads cart to simply cart. And I'll also click show quantity here so that we can see the quantity of what we're buying. Click save to save the change. I'll set the downloads categories title to categories. And click save. Now when I reload the front page, you'll see we have a usable sidebar that actually gives people information about what's going on. If you want to, you can swap the position of the categories and the cart simply by going in and dragging the categories list above the cart. Or you can add in other types of widgets to make the sidebar more attractive. Just remember, there is such a thing as sidebar overload, so don't put too much content in the sidebar or it becomes very annoying to look at. Simple enhancements like placing the shopping cart and a search box in the sidebar will make for a better user experience for your customers. And a better user experience means your customers will feel more comfortable using your store and are more likely to buy your products. It's a small investment for a potentially large reward.